Huevos Rancheros is a little bit misunderstood. When you order it in a restaurant, it's this big platter, a huge amount of food. But the true dish is just a corn tortilla, a fried egg, and then some chopped tomatoes, onions, garlic, and peppers that have been heated and then put on top of the egg, and that cooks the top. So that's what we're going to do. We'll trick it out a little bit with, you know, some sour cream and cheese and black beans and stuff, but let's get the basics down. So you start out, my pan is hot, and I have a little olive oil in there, and I'm going to put my onion in. It's not very much onion, just a quarter of a cup, and some garlic, a couple cloves of garlic that have been chopped up, and some chili powder, pinch of chili powder. And you can use any kind of chili powder you want. If you wanted to put like some chipotle chili powder in it, you could do that too, but this is just regular chili powder. And then what goes in there are these peppers and diced tomatoes. These are fire roasted diced tomatoes with green chilies, so I'm adding even more chili. And these are Anaheim chilies. Now you can use habanero or serrano, which are really hot, but these are a little bit milder.
I'm really stuck.
Yeah.
Do you have a 7-letter word for sluggard's problem? I think it starts with an I.
Hey, can you fry an egg sunny side up?
Sure.
In butter?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, so you want to take the seeds out. The seeds are the hot part of the chili. Well, actually, if you want to burn the heck out of your mouth, you can leave them in there, or you can take them out. I'm going to take them out because we have people of all ages that live in this house. Okay, great. I'm going to chop these up and put them in there. And basically, all that happens in here is these peppers get soft. Oh, they're so pretty. I love this red and green action that's going on here. So this gets heated up. And then I'm going to put these tomatoes in. Ooh. And this is going to need about 10 minutes to cook. What I do with the tortilla, the corn tortilla, is I take my hot skillet with a little butter in it and just rub it around in there so it gets nice and warm and soft on both sides. Then you ready with that? Oh man, you're a genius.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's fabulous. The egg goes on. My hot tomato chili stuff goes on top of there, and that will cook that a little bit more. Oh, this is beautiful. And then if we want to do some fancy stuff, I'll put a little cheese on top. Yes. And a little dot of sour cream. Is that pretty or what? And these are black beans from the black bean stew recipe that's on our website. Has corn in it and chipotle chilies. And that's pretty amazing. This one's for you.
Thanks.
Yeah. Inertia.